Typography Font Styles. Learn how in Illustrator. Typography can completely change the look of your designs, and I'm about to show you how to master it in Illustrator like a pro. Unlock the secrets of typography with our latest tutorial. In this video, you'll dive deep into the world of font styles and discover how to enhance your designs using Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step guide will cover everything from selecting the right font to applying unique styles that make your text pop. What you'll learn: understanding different typography font styles, tips for choosing the perfect font for your design, how to manipulate and customize fonts in Illustrator, techniques to create stunning text effects, best practices for typography in graphic design. Join us as we explore the powerful tools Illustrator has to offer and transform your text into eye-catching designs. Break the sentences into different words so we can use them. Now it's time to find the font. Which fonts will we use here? Yes, I got it. So we are using these two fonts here. Look at their names. These are absolutely free fonts and are very easy to download. Now we will arrange the words. Some font sizes will make bigger and some smaller because what's more important in the sentence needs to be seen more clearly. One of the important things in today's typography design is that I have used single color text. White on black background. Or I will use black text on white background. Designers often prefer a one-color design, especially for t-shirts, because it is cost-effective. Using multiple colors in a design typically increases production costs, as each additional color requires a separate screen and screen printing, leading to higher expenses. A one-color design simplifies the process and keeps costs low while still allowing for a visually striking outcome. This approach is particularly important when producing designs in bulk or for budget-conscious projects. Typography in black and white is a timeless design choice that emphasizes contrast and clarity. By stripping away color, the focus shifts entirely to the form, shape, and spacing of the letters, making the type itself the star of the design. Black and white typography is versatile and can be both modern and classic, depending on the font used. It creates a bold visual statement that is easy to read and impactful, making it a popular choice for minimalistic and elegant designs. On my channel, you'll discover a wealth of videos focused on the art of typography design, where I break down techniques and methods that you can easily follow. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, there's something here for everyone. I've carefully crafted these tutorials to not only teach you the intricacies of typography but also to share essential tips and tricks in Adobe Illustrator. You'll also find in-depth guides on mastering Illustrator and Photoshop, helping you to elevate your design skills to new heights. I invite you to explore my channel, where learning is made engaging and accessible. If you find the content helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and spread the word to your friends so they can benefit too. You see how I use text? And how am I setting the small text between different letters? You should also try. This work is not difficult, only passion is required. Cultivate your passion and work hard. You can certainly design better than this. Apart from the text, we will also use some ornaments and some stars here to make the design more accessible. For this you can create things yourself. And small things add up easily to small graphics. You can use them too. If there's anything you're unsure about while watching my tutorials, please don't hesitate to ask me. I'm here to help, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. I make sure to go through each step slowly and clearly so that you can easily follow along and understand the process. However, if something still isn't clear, just let me know, and I'll be glad to explain it further. I've also included links to some of my other videos in the description box below each video. These additional resources are there to help you explore more of the content I've created, covering various aspects of design. You can watch these videos to gain a deeper understanding of different techniques and methods. Moreover, I've provided links to my profiles on various platforms where I showcase my work. You can check out my profiles on Behance, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, Upwork, and Fiverr. These links are available in the description, so feel free to explore them and see more of my design portfolio and projects. By visiting these platforms, you'll get a broader view of the work I do and connect with me on different social media and professional networks. As you watch me complete the design, you'll notice that we're nearing the final steps. At this stage, our design is almost finished, and we'll soon be grouping the elements together to finalize it. However, while the design itself is crucial, there's another equally important aspect that we must focus on: the presentation. The way we present our design is vital because it greatly influences how the final work is perceived. Even if we've created a well-crafted design, if we don't put effort into preparing and showcasing it effectively, the impact of our work may fall short of what we intend. Presentation adds context and brings out the best qualities of the design, making it more appealing and convincing to the viewer. It's about making the design look polished and professional, ensuring it communicates the intended message clearly and leaves a lasting impression. Therefore, while completing the design is important, we must dedicate just as much attention to how we present it. A strong presentation can elevate the design, giving it the impact and recognition it deserves. You've probably guessed by now that I'm referring to Photoshop. Yes, when it comes to presentation, Photoshop is truly the best tool to showcase your design in the most impressive way. It allows you to create polished, professional presentations that make your work look exceptional. By taking your design into Photoshop and crafting a well-thought-out presentation, you'll achieve the best results, making your work stand out and look absolutely stunning. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please let me know your feedback. And stay tuned for my next video.